welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then hi, I'm Kavita and it's awesome to have you here. I make a lot of videos based on lifestyle, productivity, all that fun stuff, so if you do want to see more of it, then definitely subscribe. Today we're doing a Pennywise haul. We have like all of these bags. We have like 4 bags to go through. First bag, Sensodyne toothpaste in the extra whitening. It was buy 2 and save $10. The duet soap, I love these. They smell so clean. There's one of my favorites, blue on here, but I like to get a mixture so that I can smell different. Dove men care for Mahesh, but we got it in a 2-pack, but he was excited to open it. Lady Goods, the White Rain Epsom soothing relief for aches and soreness in lavender. Usually Epsom sauce is like ready for soaking, but what I actually want to try to do with this is to actually make a natural fabric softener when my current fabric softener is finished. This was a real good price for this size, so by the way, this was like $12. Irish Spring men's 5-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body, face, and 24-hour deodorizer. Kind of like it. Smells 2 brushes in the Colgate brand, a family 4-pack in medium. Sensodyne in Fresh Mint. This is my favorite. More Lady Goods. 2 packs of the Color Mate hair dye in dark brown. Not for me, but for mom. I don't dye my hair. One of this antibacterial wipes. I love having antibacterial wipes. This, I never tried this brand before. So there was this time I bought an antibacterial wipes. It was really good. The scent, that's how I know that the scent was real good. It was like a black pack. I am telling you all. I literally once put on the AC in my car, put the wipes between the vent just to get the scent because it smells so good. This smelling real good. This smelling real good. This is for, I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. No. We got baby wipes, newborn, allergen free, all the fun cute stuff. We got a little pack of baby wipes. So this is actually for me. I'm gonna put it in my handbag because it's small. The cute little baby wipes I used to buy was $4. It went to 1, it went to 5. I think now it's like $6 or $7. It's a blue pack. But I think I bought so much of it. I tell you, I used to buy like 8 of those when I go Pennywise. But I really fed up with the scent. I don't like it anymore. So changing. A little pack of silk flushable wipes. I currently have a big pack of it that I'm using home, but I think I'm gonna keep this like in the car. It doesn't really have a high scent, which is great. Oh, a little Dettol because first aid kit. On to the next bag. Yay! No chocolate. No chocolate. Okay. We got a Cadbury Crunchy. This is my favorite, and I don't really mind this in the groceries. And I love the honeycomb in it. And plus, Scrivens. I don't want this right now, but I know at some point in time I'll want it. 3 or 4 of them. First one I'm gonna try. So I always buy the old snacks brand, like these. So the first time I'm gonna try this one. We got some M&Ms. Not for me. Why not? Because it was a banded deal and it's shock digestive. Well. They did say buy 1 get 1 half price, and the price was already reduced, and it's walnut, and we love Cadbury. We love Cadbury chocolate. Oh yeah, we love it. Who doesn't love Cadbury? So that was a snack bag. I feel like we're all healthy again. Yo, I don't know if this is a whole new thing. I can't remember last time I really went Pennywise, but then sometimes usually when I go in, I was running quickly, get what I need, come back out. I didn't realize I have like a pet section now, which I got Pennywise. I'm excited for these because it has E vitamin. It cleans and deodorizes your pet, nourishes and shines the hair, moisturizes pores and the body with jojoba oil. Oh my god. I only buy 1 pack though because I think this is a really good price. But I only buy 1 pack because I've never used this on them, and I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm ready to wipe them down with it because they look like they didn't often, and I try not to be them often. This, now actually I know that CeraVe is a good brand. I've actually never used anything in CeraVe. This was $35, and I decided to buy the small one to try it on my skin, and only if this works good then I'm gonna buy the big one. This is the Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Y'all, I hope this works good on my skin because as you can see, I mean, I'm not wearing any makeup right now, but I kind of break it out. and I haven't maxed and I don't like it. Wilkinson blades, we got it from my boyfriend. Got this for these kids. It is the Dr. J's Just for Dogs, a 2-in-1 conditioning shampoo, steroids, odor control, lemon drizzle. Yo, this smelling so good. I telling you, I told my boyfriend when I pick up this, I was like, listen, I feel like I'm gonna eat my dog now. I just gonna be sniffing him. Hold it, because I love the scent of lemon. Panasonic AA batteries because we always need extra. We got another hair clip because I don't think this one either. Think about it so much. Y'all hear my story. Hear my ranting story. On Saturday I decided to go Pennywise. This really thing, right? The skincare aisle, the facial skincare aisle was flicking past and I set up. I went for a face wash and a vitamin C serum. Yes, I went with a little list. I had a little list. I went without the list though, with the same. I did not find the brand of vitamin C that I wanted. I didn't even see anything extra. So I ended up buying one that I was using. This is like the second vitamin C serum that I ever bought. Now the thing I don't like about this is that it comes in a clear packaging. Like a clear thing, and then apparently like this. It's not like, it's kind of translucent. So the thing about having like vitamin C, things like this, it can be exposed to sunlight, because if this changes color, it means that it's going to oxidize and it's not really good for your skin anymore, right? So I'm just going to keep this literally inside. But no, this is not an oily consistency. It actually works really good, but it doesn't really moisturize, but it feels good on your skin, and it definitely, when I use this, it definitely reduces my spots. So I'm hoping that it will. However, I was really looking for a kind of facial serum with like the oil texture. I was going to buy the Epiel brand because that's the last one I used, and it's totally finished. I started using the water, and like having like an oily serum really helps me to massage my skin better. But I don't know. So we have the Dove soap. We don't really buy Dove because Dove's too damn expensive, to be quite honest, but in the mood to trick this out. But I do love high quality skin soap, so I always buy like the Duet or the Dove, anything from the CJ brand, which is Coconut Growers Association. Love it. We actually decided to buy another perfume for myself because I have like body mist. I have a few perfumes, I'm not gonna lie, but I wanted like a different scent. Like, because the one that I currently have is kind of like really light, and then I do have like one super expensive perfume that I use only for certain occasions. So I definitely want to invest in a higher quality perfume, like a really high quality one. But to look in this one, I think I paid like $30 for this. It was nice and light, but it smelled good. This one for Mahesh, to be honest, I didn't double check this scent. I really hope, you know what, honestly I just picked this up without sampling. I'm sorry if I was biased. I did sample mine. I sampled like 3 before choosing this one. I always feel so bad. And I always feel about this. I don't feel so bad going and asking, like looking at all the bottles, and I know they say don't judge a book by its cover. I do judge perfume by packaging. I do. And then I also just feel bad like asking people, hey, could I get a tester of this? Could I get a tester of that? Love it! Boogie! You're gonna love your perfume. I love it. Then we have, I got the Super Strength Nail Builder. I really needed a nail strength nail. Now I do have nice nails. It's my nails, it's my natural nails, right? It's grow and thing, but when I am in water way too often, it kind of gets really soft. And also gets a rapid dry top coat, because here's the thing, I don't know what's all there, but if I try to do my nails for myself, bet your bottom dollar I am going to get fed up with waiting for it to dry, or think it dry and up smudging it, or press too hard and have a like after doing this haul. I'm going to try my best to pack away all this because it's on my desk right now. I was a germaphobe even before COVID, right? So I'm actually going to use alcohol wipes, wipe down all of these things, and then try to pack it away. It's not a massive bottle, but a good size bottle of mentholated spirits, because I like to make a normal like spray. I have spray bottles, so I put like half or 3/4 of this in a little bit of water, so like I will just like spray something, spray the car, wash your face. We got these Dallon soaps, and we got these, and we got this power one. You know, my parents love this because apparently it is really good in terms of like germs and antibacterial protection, and it makes your skin feel real clean. Now it does make your skin feel more clean, but I am not a believer that it's actually strip your skin, because a lot of these strong soaps, because I know about all you, love using a blue soap to be like a blue soap that we just considered as a blue soap to use to wash your laundry and to wash your baby dog sometimes. Yeah, I love using a blue soap every now and then because my skin feels so much more cleaner. But this, I feel like this strips your skin. This, and you'll ever hear about the carbolic soap, the red one, you know, the red one I'm talking about, in the clear packaging, but it now comes in a red pack. That one, yes. I think the carbolic soap strips your skin, so the blue soap kind of works. That's all we have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll happily do more if you all want. Don't forget to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe.